Hi, it's Adam Hewison. I'm coming to you from the digital studios of MarketClub, and we're looking at Apple. That's right, Apple Computer, or as it's known right now, it's just Apple. AAPL is the symbol, and this is a daily chart, candlestick chart. And as you can see, Apple's had a fairly nice run up here for most of the year. Good earnings, great products. I'm a huge Apple fan. I have to give that disclaimer before I say anything else. But I'm going to show you today exactly how you could have used the trade triangles. Even if you were trading from a desert island, you could have used these trade triangles, and to show you exactly how they did in trading. First thing we're going to do, I'll take everything off the screen, and I'm going to put our monthly trade triangles in. Okay, you can see our monthly trade triangle comes in right here, but I also know there's another trade triangle from last year, from 2008. So I'm going to take this off the screen and scope this out just a little bit more, and move this over here. And this is the other trade triangle. So here's the monthly trade triangle here, and this one here. So you can see this comes in right around, let's just say, just for argument's sake, the 150 area, and this is around the 100 area. So a nice move on the downside. Okay, that was last year. What about this year? What about 2009? So let's take this off the screen again, and let's just go from, simple to do, year to date. Click here, and you get it right from the beginning of 2009. Really simple to do. So we know coming into the first couple of months into the new year, 2009, that the trend was down. So this was still saying the trend was down. It looks like it's going sideways, but our indicator was saying that the trend was down. It wasn't until we went to this level here, this 103.60, that we deemed, well, I should say, the trade triangles deemed that the trend was up in Apple. So let's look at every signal and let's just see how we did. Okay, let's first of all take everything off the screen. Very simple to do. This is off the screen, and we're going to put in our weekly triangles. Here we go. Weekly triangles. First one was a buy signal, so that was not going to be taken because that was, the trend was down, if you remember. But the next one was a sell signal at 84.55 on the 15th of January. Now we covered that position here because the green triangle came in and the trend was down, so we felt the market was going higher, so we closed out that position at 95, and that produced a loss of $10.45 a share. We then had a signal just a little while later on 2/23, February 23rd, at 88.90. That produced another loss, because we covered it here, of $8.14. Now just about now you're probably getting a little bit upset with the market, probably disappointed that the signals haven't worked, the triangles haven't worked exactly the way you like them, but this is when you don't give up. You remain patient. Now this signal here, 103.60, exactly the number here. The monthly trend changed, and from there, from this signal here, you would have gotten in right here. Okay, you would have rode this market up until the first weekly triangle that came in here, and that number came in at 134.53. That produced a profit of $30.93 a share. Far exceeded the losses you had here, which were about $18. So you're way ahead of the game right now. The next signal came in right here. See the green triangle? That came in at 144.56. You can check my numbers, but these are correct. 144.56. The market's currently trading on 163.94. Currently we're doing this still live. The market's still trading. And that has an open profit of approximately about $19.30. So you add that, another profit, $19 and let's say 30 cents, just for argument's sakes. Maybe a little bit more, a few pennies more, a few pennies less, but that's about right. So just by trading the trade triangles, I'll take this off the screen now, just by trading these simple trade triangles, buy here 103.60, you're out here at 134.53, You're back in at 144.56, and the market's currently trading 163.96. You don't have to read any newspapers. You don't have to watch any TV shows. You don't have to listen to any blogs, even our own. This simply works. It not only worked in 2009, but it also worked very well in 2008. Okay, so how did everything shape up for us? Well, we can see that this trade here to this trade here was a losing trade. We lost $10.45 a share. This trade to this trade was also a losing trade. We lost $8.14. This trade to this trade was a winner. We made $30.93. This trade to where we are presently trading is a gain of $19.59. Plus here, excuse me, that's a minus and a minus here. Now, 2 winning trades, 2 losing trades. However, the losses were kept small, and the profits were left to run. You've heard the old expression, let your profits run, cut your losses short. That's exactly what you do with our trade triangle technology. Let's take everything off the screen, and let's look to see how we did overall. Overall, we had gains of, so the pluses were $50.52 per share. The losses were $18.59 a share. So this is the losses. 4 trades. You simply subtract that, and we get $31.93 in gains for the year. Now, isn't that the type of trading you'd like to do? Not have to think about it, just go with the flow, go with the triangles. Now, the other key thing to trading with the triangles is trading to be diversified. So you're trading Apple, you may trade crude oil, you may trade gold, you may trade several other markets, but be diversified. That's the key thing. And look at the numbers. Plus 100. Up, up, up. All the triangles are go, which means the trend is in very strong hands. Hey, this is Adam Hewison. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at Apple. Only halfway through the year, still opportunities, but the trade triangles work. Just follow the trade triangles, and you will make money over time. Thanks for stopping by. Every success.